In this NerdBite, I want to show you how you can use the stacked bar chart to help visualize service level objective classification. Here is an example of what we're going to build. The chart on the left is tracking the indicators we're interested in this case time to first byte. I've plotted both the 90th and 75th percentile here. I've also plotted horizontally indicators of what we might consider good and bad targets. The chart to the right is showing our attainment over the week. The percentage of page views that fall within our objective are in orange, those needing improvement in purple, and those considered poor or failing are in blue. So we can see at a glance how well we've met our targets over the week. I'll now show you how we can build this. First, we need to look at the data to come up with reasonable targets. In this case, I'm going to look at the 75th percentile for back-end duration from the past week, which is the time to first byte of the fastest 75% of page views, 0.258. So we'll make this the value of our good objective. Let's see how this value changes across the week. We'll plot the 90th and 75th percentiles to get a feel for the data. Let's add the good target and also perhaps an indicator of what we consider poor. Let's go for 0.7 for our poor target. Okay, so that's our data source. Let's build the stacked bar chart to visualize our attainment of these targets. We do this by selecting three values: the percentage of page views that are within our objective, the percentage that fall between our objective and our poor target, and finally those that are beyond the poor target. Take care to ensure that you get the logic right here, as you need to ensure the total of all the percentages adds up to 100. We render this over time with a time series. I'll choose 3-hour buckets for now. Okay, so there you have it. This is a great way to visualize attainment of an objective over time. You can use it for basic SLOs too, and it's great for understanding your attainment of things like Core Web Vitals. I hope you enjoyed this NerdBite. There are links in the description to documentation.